Hi, Mom.
Get ready?
This is how Bob starts videos. Hi, Mom.
And how are you?
Right. Okay, there's that. Now, so, got our assortment of trusty, cheapo,
Thermojobbers.
VOMs, V-O-Ms, volt ohm meters. That's what that stands for. Anyway, we're going to see if anything's hot in here right now. So if we're going to move this camera away.
Besides Zach, he's hot.
That's right, that's hot.
That's why he took his jacket off, folks.
Junior's hot.
He's just muscular. He's a built kind of dude.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
So right now the battery's on. Turn the key on. And I don't know if any of this is... Yeah, okay, voltage. Alright, so here's what I've been doing. Here's the ground strap. And just stab the black one through it. And then I've been checking this. Okay, that's 23.8.
That's good.
Truck not running. Let's see, where's the blue one? There's the blue one. 1.9. Truck not running, obviously.
Yellow.
Almost dead, and I think that's the way it's supposed to be when it's not running. Yellow at this end, obviously, is going to be, yeah, 1.2. Just red, 24 and whatever. Okay, so what we're going to do is put her in neutral, parking brakes on. Give or take 63, 64, 24.11, 24.11 on the other side. That's good. Alright, so I'll leave this for a minute and go check the batteries while it's running.
As Bob takes the pin off and opens up the battery box, and there it is, the batteries, folks. Hey, there's two. And there's Zach. You got thumbprints on this thing, dude. I can put this in a crime scene and you get in trouble.
Oh boy. Alright, so
It's got a happy face on it.
$12. 11.8. I thought they said they charged these. Bunch of bullshit. 23.9. Now here's the question.
When it's off. Oh, when everything's on.
There ain't much to turn on. 23.6. Huh, okay, well. Alright, Bob, turn all that stuff back off.
Okay.
23.9. Okay, so alright, whatever. Huh. Wow,
That's Bob doing puppets in the shadow.
No, you stay on that side. Alright, so I want to see this. Okay, now turn everything on.
So it's still high?
Yeah, it's still 60, whatever.
Bring your Okay, folks, that takes care of the battery and the motor. Next thing we will do is I don't know, ask Zach. I guess we're done with that, folks. Well,